Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is desktop management in Windows 10. So in this chapter we will learn how to open a start menu, how to customize, how to go on settings. We many a time see there are so many tiles when we open the start menu. So how to drag those tiles, how to resize them, how to customize our windows, our desktops. So all this we are going to learn in this chapter today. So let's begin with starting Windows 10, Windows 10 screen, opening applications, managing multiple windows, personalizing Windows 10. So let's just start the chapter.
Kitty, the desktop of your computer is looking very nice. How did you do this? I changed the settings. A window is a separate viewing area on a computer display screen in a system that allows multiple viewing areas as part of a graphical user interface. Windows are managed by a Windows Manager as part of a windowing system. Windows 10 is the most updated version of Microsoft Windows. When we switch on the computer, first the lock screen and then the sign-in screen appears. After we have signed in, the screen that we see is called the desktop. Starting Windows 10. Just after turning on the computer system, the Windows 10 starts automatically. This function is called the booting. Windows 10 screen. Desktop screen, it appears after switching on the computer. It shows all the programs and documents. Taskbar, it is a bar which is used to launch any program with a single click of the mouse. Start button, it is located on the bottom left corner of the desktop. It is used to open the start menu. Icons, small button-like structures that appears on the desktop are called icons. An icon represents a program or different features. Notification area, it notifies us about the tasks that are happening in our system. Time and date, it shows the current time and date. We can also change the time and date. Start menu. Start menu is the main point of access to our applications. There are two main ways to open it. 1. By using mouse, click Windows icon in the lower left corner of the taskbar. 2. Press the Windows key on the keyboard. The Windows 10 Start menu features two panes, i.e., left pane and right pane. Left pane contains all the applications and programs installed in the computer. Whereas the right pane has tiles or live tiles that can be customized, resized and reorganized. Search box. Search box on the taskbar makes it easier for us to search the web and Windows. It also allows to turn on or off Cortana, give suggestions, ideas, reminders, alerts and more. Opening applications. To open an application in Windows 10, click the Start button in the bottom left corner, then choose the desired application. Managing multiple windows. Windows 10 has several features that make it easier for multitasking and work with multiple windows at the same time. Snap. Snap helps to organize the space on the screen more efficiently, improving productivity. Using this feature, we can quickly snap windows to the sides or corners perfectly using the mouse, keyboard and touch without the need to resize and position them manually. To use the snap feature, we can click and drag the desired window to the left or right until the cursor reaches the edge of the screen. Then, release the mouse. The window will snap into place. Flip. Flip feature in Windows 10 is used to switch between open windows. To do this, press and hold the Alt key on the keyboard, then press the Tab key. Continue pressing the Tab key until the desired window is selected. Task View. Task View is a task switcher and virtual desktop system introduced in Windows 10 and is among the first features new to Windows 10. Task View allows a user to quickly locate an open window, quickly hide all windows and show the desktop, and to manage windows across multiple monitors or virtual desktops. To open Task View, click the Task View button near the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Virtual desktops. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, we can move some of the windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. It is especially helpful for managing a lot of windows at the same time. To create a new desktop, open Task View, then select New Desktop near the bottom right corner. Showing the desktop. If we have a lot of windows open at the same time, it can be difficult to see the desktop. When this happens, we can click the bottom right corner of the taskbar to minimize all open windows. Just click it again to restore the minimized windows. Personalizing Windows 10. Moving a tile. Moving tiles allows to configure the Start menu exactly how we want it and allows to group tiles logically or randomly as we see fit. Open the Start menu. Click and hold the tile you want to move. Drag it to the new position. Release the tile. The tile is moved now. Resizing a tile. Right-click on the desired tile. A context menu appears. Click on the resize. A submenu will appear. Select the size you want. The size of the tile will be changed. Switching between running apps. In the taskbar, click on the Task View. Windows displays the thumbnail of all running apps. Click on the thumbnail of the app you want to switch to. Windows switches to the app. Opening the Settings app. Click on the Start button to open the Settings app. Click on Settings. The Settings window will appear. Click on any icon that you want to open. For example, here we have clicked on the personalization icon. The Settings window will open on the desktop. Changing the font size. Open the Settings app, then click System. The display option in the window will appear. Use the slider present to right side to select the desired item size. Click Apply to save the changes. We may then need to restart the computer for these changes to take place. Changing desktop background. Open the Start menu. Click on the Settings. Setting app will appear. Click on the Personalization. The personalization settings will appear. Click on the background. Click on the down arrow of background and select picture. Click on the desired picture. Click on the down arrow of choose a fit and then click the positioning. The preview of the selected picture will appear in the preview section. Click on the close button. New Windows desktop will appear. Locking the computer. Lock computer via the user icon in Start menu. Open Start menu, click the user icon and choose Lock in the list. Lock computer through Ctrl plus Alt plus Del options. Press Ctrl, Alt and Del at the same time and then select Lock from the options. Lock computer in Screensaver settings. Type Lock computer in the search box on taskbar and choose Lock the computer when I leave it alone for a period of time. In the Screensaver settings dialog box, choose on Resume, display log on screen and press OK button.